Welcome to Deuk Spine Institute. Our patient is suffering with back pain coming from the top of his buttock. The pain is coming from the piriformis muscle that's torn. You can see on the x-ray here that he has an artificial hip. That's what that ice cream cone looks like. That's coming out of his hip. This is on the left side. When they did his surgery, obviously, they sometimes can cause a piriformis to occur. Thank you, Jordan. And other times the piriformis is already there. But people who have hip replacements, they leave the piriformis muscle intact, and the patients get a piriformis syndrome. So that's what we're here to fix. His piriformis syndrome. What is piriformis syndrome? Henry, you want to show us the video?
Most definitely.
A piriformis muscle tear can cause lower back pain and sciatica. A piriformis muscle injury causes a tear, in which piriformis muscle inflammation causes back pain. And also, piriformis muscle inflammation may cause sciatic pain. The best treatment for piriformis muscle syndrome is the Deuk piriformis release. From there, the piriformis pain is permanently eliminated. The advantages with the Deuk piriformis release is that it's an outpatient procedure, which would take up to about 30 minutes. Minimal bleeding and pain after the procedure with an immediate recovery and return to work the next day, as well as a 99% success rate with permanent pain relief with a single treatment. For more details, please visit our website at www.deukspine.com or call us at 1-800-FIX-MY-BACK, 349-6922.
Welcome back. You can see that the piriformis muscle gets injured and then it causes pain. Show us the greater trochanter, Jordan. Take a look at this x-ray. The greater trochanter is this bone right here, and that's where the attachment of the piriformis is. Right where my probe tip is, I'm cutting the scarred fibers here, and I can hear it and feel it. It's unbelievable. This is probably the worst piriformis I've ever done. Piriformis release for this patient, and probably because of all the scar tissue this patient has from their hip surgery. They've had a hip replacement done, and a lot of times the surgeons will create a lot of scar tissue from that procedure. All right, we're done. Now, it took us just a few minutes to do it. I'm going to show you the incision. It's 4 millimeters. The whole surgery is done with a 4 millimeter incision. Putting a little medicine just to make the area feel better, because this procedure hurts. Can you guys see the incision right here?
Yes, we can.
All right. Very good. Well, any questions?
No current questions.
Thanks for joining us. This was a left piriformis muscle release for a piriformis syndrome. It's the most effective treatment in the world for piriformis syndrome. It's the only treatment that works to get rid of the piriformis pain permanently, as long as you get the whole muscle. All right, very good. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back shortly in about an hour for another Deuk laser disc repair.